located behind section 230 or inside
It's on the outer rim.
in right field.
And this is a
Rival Sports Bar is sure to be a fan favorite in the new outfield experience. It's open first come, first served to any fan with a game ticket. In addition, fans may pre-purchase a front row table package, which includes tickets, seats for four at a window-side table overlooking the field, and a credit for food and beverage purchases. We have representatives and rival.
Go ahead, Joe. Just keep walking. Keep walking.
It's fine.
Fans, for your convenience, our season ticket and group sale booths are located on the main concourse behind section